Hello mga beautiful people! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Finally, I'm back after a while. Nag-upload ko ani kay ka-excited magud kay me during Miss Jaya's concert last August 17th, Saturday, sa Willow River Church. Thank you Anthony Pumikpik aka Van Lee sa transport yun namo going o pag-uli pod. I was with Jade Pumikpik and Christine. We had a great time. Kay ako, grabe, personally, ganahan juga ng Miss Jaya. Then, pagkaibaw na ko nga nasa concert, lipay kaayo ko. Unya, ilas ang mga front acts, makalingaw po before si Miss Jaya. Unya, nalipay mi kay ngano, ang lugar ba, makakita juga niya up close and personal. Finally, ang tao nga akong, usa sa akong gipang admire nga Filipino performers, makita na jud na mo up close and personal. Hope you will enjoy the videos of the concert of the Queen of Soul, Miss Jaya. Enjoy!
Isang kasama ito, pintuan lang mo, ang kamay nila ang iyong ilaw. At ang nanay at tatay mo'y di malaman ang gagawin, pinamasdan pati pagtulog ko. At sa gabi napupuyat ang iyong nanay sa pagtimpla ng gatas mo. Sa umaga na maikalong ka na, iyong naman tuwang-tuwa sa'yo. Ngayon ay malaki ka na, nais mo'y maging malaya, di ba sila kaya mo nang magagawa? Ikaw na'y biglang nagbago, naging matigas ang iyong ulo, ang payo nila'y sinuway mo. Di mo man lang inisip ang kanilang ginagawa'y para sa'yo. Hanggat ang nais ko'y masunod ang layaw mo, di mo sila pinapansin. Nagdaan pa ang mga araw, ang landas mo'y naligaw, ikaw ay nalulong sa masamang bisyo. Ang una mong nilapitan, ang iyong inang lumuluha, at ang tanong, anak, ba't ka nagkaganyan? At ang iyong mga matay biglang lumuha nang di ko napapansin. Pagsisisi sa isip mo, nalaman mo, ika'y nagkamali. Pagsisisi sa isip mo, nalaman mo, ika'y nagkamali. Pagsisisi sa isip mo, nalaman mo, ika'y nagkamali. Maraming salamat. Ako pwede po ba upuin? Joke lang. You may not be here because you have to take care of my daughter, but I really appreciate you. Ang susunod ko po nakakantahin aking mukha. Para di nila alaman ang tunay na naganap, na ikaw at ako ay hindi na. Iniensayo pang mga ngiti para di halata. Damdamin ko'y pinipili
is for all our youngsters there. This is a modern bossa nova. So I hope you're going to enjoy it from LeVay. Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you an awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, that burning pain, listening to you talk out loud, so new, so vague. She's so perfect, blah, blah, blah. Oh, how I wish you wake up one day. Run to me, confess your love, at least just let me say that when I talk to you, oh, Cupid walks right and shoots an arrow to my heart. And I sound like a fool, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start. What's a girl to do? Lying on my bed, staring into the blue. Unrequited, terrifying. Love is driving me a bit insane. Had to get this off my chest. I'm telling you today that when I talk to you, oh, Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like a fool, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start? Confess I loved you, just thinking of you. I knew I loved you from the start.
If there's one thing in my life that's missing, it's the time that I spent alone, sitting on a cool and bright clear water. Lots of those friendly people, and they're showing me If there's one thing in my life that's missing, it's the time that I spent alone. Come on. Staring at the moonlight girl. It's the kind of special feeling, and they're showing me ways to go. Staring at the moonlight girl. Oh, time for a cool change. I know that it's time for a cool change. Now that my life is so rearranged, I know that it's time for a cool, true change. It's time for a cool change. If you know this song, pwede po kayong tumayo. Tapos sway to the left, sway to the right. Alam niyo to, I'm sure. I look into your eyes, so far away. Sumasayaw. There's trouble on your mind. You're losing me. Hello. Hey now, let me hold you. Can you feel the same? I will love you till they take my heart away. Remember when you called and said goodbye. And you thought we lost it all, and so did I. Even if I lost you, I would feel the same. You gotta sing with me if you know it. I would love you. Here we go. Till they take my heart away. Go. I'm here to stay. I will love you till they take my heart away. Ang galing. Now we're stronger than before. We made it through. I would marami dito taga Cypress. Tama ba kayo? Represent Barangay Cypress. Yes! Wala bang taga Tombol dito? O, edi kayo na. Uy, doon nag-aaral anak ko. Dalawa ko palang anak. Sa Tombol High School. Ang sagwalay ng pangalan pero maganda siya. Di po ba? Tsaka maraming lafang. Maraming mga budam sa Tombol. Yes. But that's actually where I live. Kind of close there. Magnolia. Yarn! Ay, isa lang. Magnolia. Mahal daw kasi doon. Hindi, mura nga eh. O, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I am a happy Houstoner. I now live in Texas. I'm so proud to be living in Texas. My family and I, we are all here tonight representing. And napakasaya po ng puso ko kasi sinabi po sa akin nung producer natin na si Cindy Mosupo of Paddock Entertainment and si Marlo Colina ng Marlo Colina Skincare na sold out daw pala ito. Yes! Yung iba late. Opo, ganun talaga. Filipino time. Di ba yata wala pa? But congratulations on your first Houston production. So, I'm very happy about that. At ano pa bang pwede natin pag-usapan? Yes! Doon po sa mga nandito ngayong gabi, siguro po naaalala po ninyo na ako po ay anak ni Miss Elizabeth Ramsey. No? Yes! At dito po siya. Mahali ka! Hindi pala, yung spirit lang niya. Spirit. Andyan lang. Kukuhan siya. Lakad-lakad. Yes. Kasi alam niyo maraming mga Bisaya ngayong gabi. Yes. Maayong gabi ikaninyong tanan.
Maayong gabi!
Masaya po ba kayo ngayong gabi?
Yes!
I am too, because almost all the songs that I'm doing tonight, special ko pong inihanda para sa inyong lahat. And there are few that I haven't done in like maybe 15 years or 20 years. Parang mga ganong drama. But, para lang yung iba po, hindi ako kilala masyado. I'm Jaya, and I've been in the Philippine music business for about siguro po mga 38, 39 years na. Mga ganun po. Bata pa naman ako mga 35. So, anong katawa? Hoy! Walang ganun. Sige, 40. Ayaw ni Lord, nandito pa naman tayo sa Willow River Church. Bawal magsinungaling. 54 na po ako. Palakpak naman. Yan. Totoo kasi yun. Pero wala pa pong overhaul. Wala pang major repair. Wala pa naman. Wala. Nadadaan pa po sa moisturizer ng MC Aesthetics. Mahirap na, no? Mamaya pinaayos ko yung ilong ko, mali yung tindig niya. O pauulit ko na nga, mali pa rin. Ay, wala na tayong ilong. Dito na ako ihinga. Sa tenga. But I'm so happy to be here tonight. I have my family here with me. Actually, lola na po ako. My grandchild is here, Grayson. He's 2 months old? Almost 2 months. Kaya po malaki na po yung eyebag namin. Kasi kami po ang nakapatudok sa baby. Yes, I'm a grandmother now. And also, my husband Gary is here, who also served in the US. Anong tawag yan? Army. Oh, ganon. Any military men or women in the house tonight? Wala? Oy, meron po! Thank you for your service. Meron ba tayong mga masahista dito na nagbibigay service? Wala lang po. Kinakatok lang yung aking brain kasi natutuwa ako na kantahan ng aking mga kapitbahay. Parang gano'n na nga kabarangay. So I hope you guys enjoy your evening. I've got some songs that you might want to sing along with. Might remind you of your moments when you were in high school, when you were young, yung mga ganong drama. Emote night tayo ngayon. Who's ready to emote? Ay, si ate naka-stripe. Tote, di ba? Joe. Yes. Parang masaya kayo. Pero si kuya, yung mata niya sa akin, huwag ka. Sabi. Ay, nakasmile na siya. Yay! In love kasi siya sa'yo, te. I'm sure. Mamaya marami tayong kanta para sa lahat ng mga in love. But for now, sa lahat ng mga sawi, pasensya na, ako po'y dumating sa Pilipinas noong 1996. Lahat po ng pinakanta sa akin ay yung pang-emo. Hindi ko maintindihan kung mukha ba akong sawi. Hindi ko maintindihan, but by the grace of God, almost all the songs that I did back in the days, nagbigay po ng pangalan sa akin sa Philippine music industry. Napakabait po ng Lord. Right? 26 years old, starting a career in the Philippines, this skin tone and this sound was a gamble for Miss Pilita Corrales to bring me home and believe that something was going to happen. Ako po kasi walang paniniwala sa sarili ko. As a matter of fact, I quit singing at the time for like 3-4 years. Talagang ayoko na. And then I guess God has different plans. Philippines became a gift for me para may pagpatuloy ko yung gift na binigay niya sa akin. So, on that note, gusto ko pong ihandog yung iba pong mga awit, pinagsama-sama ko into a medley. I hope you enjoy this. All of my songs, well, 4 of them I think, but para po sa inyo lahat, maraming salamat. We can turn that music down a bit. Bakit kailangan puso ay masaktan bago maintindihan ang siyang nararamdaman? Kahit iwas ay naroon sa damdamin, ang yakap at mga halik ay nadarama pa rin dahil tanging ikaw ang siyang lahat. Nang mawalay ka ng isa'y hindi ko matanggap. Kulang ang sandali pag ika'y wala. Sadyang kapag wala ka, wala rin ang tuwa. Kung wala ka na ang pagmamahal, ay di na kailangan pang dalawang puso'y magkasama. Kung wala ng tamis sa damdamin ng pag-ibig, ay hayaan ng puso ay mag-isa. Bakit nga maiisipin ang sasabihin ng iba? Gayong hindi siya ang nagdurusa. May bukas pang naghihintay sa pag-ibig na kapwa kay lamig. Kapag wala na ang lamig na lagi nag-aalap sa ibig, kapag ang puso ay napagunan, wala na ang pananabig. Hindi ba't mabuting maggawa ay puso sa iba'y dapat alay pagkat wala ng pag-ibig Sabi mo sa akin ako'y iyong mahal. Ako'y hindi iiwan, magsasama habang buhay. Anong nangyari sa'yo? Pangako na aking pinaniwalaan. Tamis na kahapon, di maintindihan, sakit na anong kailangan kong gawin upang malaman mo ikaw ay minamahal ko? Kailangan ko'y katulad mo sa buhay kong ito. Nag-iisa lang sa mundo. Dati nasaktan ako, takot na magtiwala. Ayoko na sanang umibig pa. Ngunit ika'y ibang-iba sa lahat ng nakilala. Sana ay ikaw na nga. Sana ay ikaw na nga. Ating gabi, gising pa at naghihintay. Hindi maiglit at nagbibilang ng sa karamihan nito'y mayroong isang natatangi. At sa tuwing tatanawin, mukha mo ang nasa sa isip. Ewan ko ba Sa lahat ng nakilala, sana ay ikaw naman. Sana ay ikaw naman. Nagmula kay Elizabeth Ramsey, kay Jaya. Ngayon po, I'd like to introduce, with all humility, my fabulous and amazing daughter, Sabria. Halika dito, anak. Wait lang sa music, wait lang. Ay, ayun na pala, sus ginoo ko. Wala kang gitara, anak. Ayaw mo? Wow. Kasi nga, musician din po siya. Paray ng outfit. Ako kung si Mama Beth buhay, sinabi na, Day, unsa man mo sa nina, Day. Magiging niya nasuot mo, Day, para kang kuan, rapper. Anak po. Pero this is my daughter, Sabria. Say hi.
Hello po, everyone.
Ang ganda na. Buti hindi mo kamukha. Woo!
Grabe naman yung di ka mo.
So, mag-hello ka, paliwanag mo yung mga dapat ipaliwanag sa barangay.
Hello po, everyone. Again, my name is Sabria po. And for these few songs that I'm going to be singing for you tonight, this first song that I'm going to be singing is, it actually just released on all streaming platforms. This one's called Round and Round.
Ay, aalis na ako? Ah, okay. Hindi ko lang pala ako kailangan. Ladies and gentlemen, Sabria.
How's everyone doing? Alright, come on, let me see you put your hands in the air. Come on.
Running on the same road, looking for a way to go. I guess I got no choice but to do it. I can feel the heat all in my veins, rushing faster than the rain. I don't believe that feeling is just a dream. I've been feeling alright, I'm feeling lighter than that. The bottle off for tonight. Yeah, it's getting warmer, I can feel the tension higher, baby. I just wanna dance in the night. Yeah, but don't forget all the worries. Like being above me. I feel my ego is rising higher than the clouds we just started. I just want to spin around with you till we fall like there's no tomorrow. I'm so in the moment to dance around like fools. Still we dance like we're running in circles, round and round, but you never go round. I just wanna focus on us tonight. I'm falling, baby, you're calling me right into your eyes. But there's no room for stopping now. I feel adrenaline just rushing to call me out. Emotions in motion, do you feel it in your blood? Closer, yeah, I wanna know we're stepping out. But don't forget all the worries, like being above me. I feel my ego is rising higher than the clouds we just started. I just want to spin around with you till we fall like there's no tomorrow. I'm so in the moment to dance around like fools till we dance like we're running in circles, round and round, but you never go round. I just wanna focus on us tonight. I'm falling, baby, you're calling me right into your eyes. I just want to spin around with you till we fall like there's no tomorrow. I'm so in the mood to dance around like fools till we dance like we're running in circles, round and round, but you gotta go round. I just wanna focus on us tonight. I'm falling, baby, you're calling me right into your eyes. Falling, baby, you're calling me right into your eyes. Falling, right into your eyes. Till we fall like there's no tomorrow.
We work together with, so yeah, this one's called Communicate.
What you mean, my girl? What you mean?
Would you be my forever? Right now, what you doing? Wanna waste my time on a lucid, and I hope that I'm not a lucid. But your energy like a juice. I need you to get a little bit more time, 'cause I'm feeling like the guy that's on the side. La la la, with the juiceness, and I'm losing sight of the truth. I know there's a problem, but I know it isn't me. I need a better story. Give me something to believe, 'cause I cannot get, I get that vibe away. Are we okay? Are we okay? Who wrote your reality? Am I still wanting yours? Yeah, I cannot get, but I got so much more to say. Riddles, I got little patience for you. So little, you already know I'm annoyed. I need you to get a little bit more time, 'cause I'm feeling like the goddess on the side. La la la, but it's useless. You're losing sight of the truth is. I know there's a problem, but I know it isn't me. I need a better story. Give me something to believe, 'cause I cannot get. Do you need me? I get that vibe away. Are we okay? Are we okay? Who wrote your reality? Am I still wanting yours? Yeah, I cannot get, but I got so much more to say. Listen, 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 listen. Don't lie me. Don't lie me. Listen, listen, listen. Don't lie me. 'Cause I could not get, do you hear me? I get that vibe away. Are we okay? Are we okay? Who wrote your reality? Am I still wanting yours? Yeah, I cannot get, but I got so much more to say. But I got so much more to say. Tell me what's wrong in your head when you told me that you loved me. If you're lying to me, I won't forget. Baby, tell me that you're okay. Yeah, first of all, quit playing with me, 'cause it ain't my fault that I be playing these games. I get a call after 2 days, no day I've been. I've been getting to hear you and know how I'm feeling. So give me straight up, I know I'm the one. Focus on me
loved me, told me that you loved, lied to me, I won't forget. Baby, tell me that you want me, tell me that you want me. Tell me, won't you tell me, won't you? Tell me, won't you tell me? Won't you tell me that you want? Baby, tell me that you want me. My first OPM song, it's still unreleased po, so please keep an eye out. It's about like confessing your love for someone. Yung parang alam mo ba na I'm always here for you. You know, my heart, everything I am, it's all for you. So yeah, guys, this one's called Alam Mo Ba. Alam mo ba na palagi kita hinihintay? Sorry na kapag hindi ko mabigay ang mga kailangan. Ayoko na itigil na mga pagmaris. Kung pwede lang ako'y sa'yo at ikaw ay akin. Handa sa piling puso ko at lahat para sa'yo. Di ko maintindihan pero wala nang babago. Kaya pala di ko kayang magkatulog nang wala ka. So pwede na ba na wala ka nang maisip ng ibang kasama? Ayoko na itigil na mga gawain. So pwede ba ako'y sa'yo at ikaw ay akin? Handa sa piling puso ko at lahat para sa'yo. Di ko maintindihan pero wala nang babago.
Good evening, everybody! When you play the right music, getting in the swing, you gotta look for a king. Everybody can beat the gun, but it's young and the music's high. When you play the right music, getting in the swing, you gotta look for a king. And when you get the chance, you wanna dance with me, young and sweet. dance. You are dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Oh, you can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, taking it, dancing queen. Hey. You are a dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Oh, you can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, taking it, dancing queen. Thanks so much. Kung ako ang may-ari ng mundo, ibibigay ang lahat ng gusto mo. Araw-araw masisikatin ang araw, buwan-buwan babibilugin ko ang buwan para sa'yo, para sa'yo. Susungkitin mga bituin para lang makahiling na sana'y maging akin. Puso mo at damdamin, kung pwede lang, kung kaya lang, kung akin ang mundo. Ang lahat ng ito iaalay ko sa'yo. Susungkitin mga bituin para lang makahiling na sana'y maging akin. Puso mo at damdamin, kung pwede lang, kung kaya lang, kung akin ang mundo. Ang lahat ng ito, ang lahat ng ito, ang lahat ng ito iaalay ko sa'yo. This is the actual song we did for ASAP last week, and you can check it out on YouTube. Ang pag-ibig ay sadyang ganyan, tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Dati mong pag-ibig, wala akong pakialam, pagkat mahal kita kailan pa man. Huwag kang mag-isip ng ano pa man, mga paliwanag mo'y di na kailangan. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita, pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip
isang bulak na umiibig sa'yo. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita, pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita, pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita maging sino ka man.
Ito nung nakapukuha ng baterya. Nag-change outfit po ako. Kasi nakakahiya naman sa Phil-Am's Prince of Pop, Garth Garcia. Ito po, gaganyan-ganyan yan. Bisaya po ito.
Uy, wala sila ebidensya. Hindi ko bisaya dyan yung tawon.
So, grabe ang galing ni Garth, no? Yes! Alam niyo po, he flew all the way from Los Angeles, California para lang samahan tayo sa Houston.
Thank you.
Ito rin. Magkasama po kami sa ASAP, California noong August 3. And he sang, we all sang together for the, ano ba yun? Global Chururot, ano yun?
Global Pinoys.
Chorba.
Chorba.
And it was such an honor to be part of the ASAP family kasi you sang with Eric Santos, a dear, dear friend of mine, and I sang with my kumare, Regine Velasquez Alcacid.
Regine lang naman.
Regine! Woo! Grabe. Oh, sana mag-show tayo kasama sila ulit.
Oo nga.
Sana lang naman. Request natin kay Mare.
It was such an honor. Honorable mention. So
First honor. Pero ngayon po, try natin. Asan yung kodigo ko dito? Nasa iyo pa man siya. Uy, ako man na.
Wala ka nang sinabi.
Ayaw, labot.
Kala ko basura lang.
Hindi. Kodigo ko yan. Para po sa inyong lahat, a duet that I recorded with Mr. Jano Gibbs. Since wala naman si Jano, si Garto na lang. Para po sa lahat ng mga in love.
Garno Gibbs.
Garno Gibbs.
Alright, let's do it.
Para po sa inyo. Music!
Ikaw
Waitress ba? Sama niya siya. Uy, pa-birthday? May mga nagse-celebrate po ba ng birthday ngayong gabi? Bukod kay Miss Karen Valeno? Where is she? Pasensya na po. Karen Valeno, happy birthday po! Parang binigay na rin niya sa akin yung cellphone number niya. Opo. Happy birthday to you! Taas? Happy birthday to you! Parang soprano. Happy birthday, dear Karen! Happy birthday to you! Ay, grabe kayo. Sa mga naman pwede po ngayong gabi, sing along tayo. Sabayanan ninyo ako. Tapos bababa ako, maglalakad ako, tingnan kung sino magaling. Pwede? Sino dito mga 80s lover, music lover? Ganon. Oh, nabuking ang mga edad nyo. Kasi ako yung 80s music lover. Pero para sa lahat ng mga marunong kumanta, music please. Ayun ako. Sige, bababa ako ha. Madali lang to. You give me hope, strength and the will to keep on going, and you still make me feel this way. And only you bring out all the best I can do. I believe eternal. Performance level. Eh yung isa kasi dyan, worship leader sa Willow River Church. Miss Eileen, alam niyo po ba, minsan nagsiserve din po ako dito sa worship team. So, if none of you are Willow River Church members, you can come here every Sunday at 10:30. Ganon! Apo, palakas ng konti yung volume ha, para hindi ako bumul. Oh, alam mo naman ako pingi. But this is such a special place to sort of perform kasi talagang church po ito. Maibigan ninyo mga awit ni Miss Sharon Cuneta. Kung pag-ibig ay wakas, paglalambing sa iyong piling ay ligaya ko, walang kahambing. Kung di malimot ng tadhana, bigyang tuldok ang ating ligaya. Walang hanggan ay hahamangin, pagkat walang katapusan, kitang iibigin. Wow, that's really one of those medleys na pagka kinakanta po, nakakahugot ng reaction. I think it's because we really remember Philippines. Kahit malayo tayo sa Pinas, malapit pa rin siya sa puso natin. Tama ba yun? Sino dito madalas magbakasyon? Siya? Ako nga di pa umuwi. 3 taon mahigit na. Pero sana, if i-will ni Lord, makauwi ako ng bonggang-bongga. Pwede ba magpaa?
Sure!
Kasi kanina, nag-request ako ng bangko. Madjukit na ang chiil ko. Sakit na yung paa ko. Wait lang. Okay lang, malinis naman yung paa ko. Ganyan talaga. Sakit. Ito naman kasi sapatos na ito. Ang tapong ko na nga. Wow. So, I guess, we sing a lot of songs that are parang love song, tama, para sa mahal natin, para sa nanay natin, para sa mga mahal talaga natin sa buhay. Pero ako po, na-realize ko that this song, when I recorded it with one of my best friends actually, hindi ko na-realize na one day, I would actually realize that the lyric is as if I'm singing to the one who created me. Diba? Maraming love songs, pero we hardly kind of dedicate something to Him. So, when we did this in ASAP, sa totoo lang, I don't know how God works, but He does what He does best. Hindi naman ako sikat, hindi naman ako yung parang bini na alam yung sumasayaw-sayaw. I just realized when we did the song together last August 3rd, parang ang daming natuwa, ang lakas ng mga palakpak, pero we both were looking at each other like, this is like for Him. So every action that we were doing na hindi namin pinag-usapan, we kept going like that to Him. So I guess, at the end of the day, for me, I'm doing what I do with grace. Kasi talagang sa totoo lang, minsan, I don't even know how I hit notes. I really kind of want to retire. May mga ganun akong moments, but if it's not time, sasabihin niya talaga, wait pa. Anak, hindi pa pwede. Kasi I'm gonna use you pa for other things. So that's when I realized, maybe this song is one of those na akala ko, pang wala lang. And I want to dedicate it to those who really know that God is working in your life. May ganun ba dito? Yes. Di ba ang taas ng inflation? Pero nakakakain pa tayo. Nakakanood pa nga kayo ng concert? Yes. Oh, pak! Di ba si Lord? Oo. Yun nga sinasabi ko, mag-gara siya. He can do anything. And nothing is impossible. Kaya sana ma-hit ko yung notes, Lord. Kasi kanina pa ako kabang-kabang. Ewan ko ba't ako kinakabahan tonight? I have no idea. But this song is for you, so help me to sing this for you. Sana matapos ko ng matiwasay. At para po sa inyong lahat, if you know the song, please sing with me. Because I know, alam niyo po ito. Go, tayo dyan. Bigyan mo ko ilaw. Nais ko mabuhay sa haba ng panahon. Kung ito'y lilipas na ika'y kapiling ko habang may buhay. Habang may buhay sa'yo ibibigay. Tangi kong panalangin puso ko habang may buhay. Habang may buhay, hanggat ang dugo ko ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang ialay ang aking buhay. Ang aking buhay sa'yo ibibigay. At kung tayo'y magwawalay, ako'y mabibigo. Di na nanaisin pang ituloy ang buhay ko habang may buhay. Habang may buhay, hanggang ang dugo ko ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang ialay ang aking buhay. Ang aking buhay sa'yo ibibigay. Ibig kong malaman mo hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, ang pangarap ko'y sa'yo. Hanggang ang dugo ko ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang iaalay ang aking buhay. Ang aking buhay sa'yo. Hanggang ang dugo ko ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang iaalay ang aking buhay. Ang aking buhay sa'yo ibibigay. Nais ko mabuhay para lang sa'yo. Nais ko mabuhay para lang sa'yo. Napakadami tayong pasasalamatan bago tayo magsayawan. Praise God. Naku, only you can do all this. Promise, Lord. Bakit ko binabading si Lord? Nakakaloka pero naintindihan niya ngayon. Alam niya pag malakas ang kabog ko. Anyways, you guys gotta stand up now. Doesn't take much to make me happy and to make me smile with me. Never, never will I feel discouraged, 'cause our love's no mystery. Demonstrating love and affection that you give so openly. I like the way you make me Everybody, come on, let's sweat. Baby, I let the music take control. Let the rhythm move you. Sweat, sweat. Let the music take control. Let the rhythm move you. Dito tayo. One, go. Someone found the letter you wrote me on the radio, and they told the world just how you felt. It was the falling out and the holding you around the circle. You never said your name, but I knew just who they meant. Like a girl, sweetheart. I was so surprised and shocked, and I wondered too if by chance you heard it for yourself. Just how I've been feeling. Sydney, what's up, boy? Thank you, guys. Thank you. Marta Camina, thank you. On the radio. Thank you, on the radio. On the radio. On the radio. Say, oh, that it kind of made me feel proud that I heard you say. And thank you to the Houston Teachers Association. Maraming salamat. So this time I can see. So gusto nyo mo dito, mag-swing na kayo. They never said your name. Now it's time to say on the radio. On the radio. On the radio. On the radio. Please don't talk about the love tonight. Please don't talk about sweet love. Please don't talk about evil and all those problems that we've been through. Oh, please don't talk about all the plans that we had in fixing this broken